morning, friends. This is CA Sharup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. Hope everybody is in good health. So let's start with Nifty because it has given a good rally. So we will analyze how Nifty could behave in the coming days, and in October second half Nifty has a very notorious history of making a downtrend, steep downtrend, and it has already given a big run. You see, this has already given a big run, then it has retraced a little bit, then again it has given a big run, and now it seems to be exhausted. So how we are going to analyze, let's say, let us learn. Let's move to monthly chart. If you look at the monthly chart, Nifty has actually given a very steep rise. This is actually suggesting the recovery of the stock market. So post COVID, because this fall was for COVID and there was a sharp recovery. Now, is it sustainable? That's the big question. Now we are technical analysts, we don't listen to news, we will see what our chart says. So what our chart is saying, that Nifty is in a resistance. This is, we have switched over to monthly grandfather resistance, right? So you have a number of resistance here. So therefore it's a very steep zone for Nifty to cross. And if you look at this is a very super strong zone where Nifty had a multiple hurdle to cross. So this is in the monthly chart. And if you look at this particular candle, although it is white, it looks like of, you have a big shadow here, so it is forming a kind of supply zone. So let's move to the weekly and let us see how the weekly is behaving with this resistance. You see, automatically these are plotted, and weekly we are also in a resistance zone. And very interestingly, if you look at this particular candle which has formed last week, after a long rally, if you get this kind of candle, this actually signifies exhaustion. Although your trend is showing upward, but here Nifty might halt or for some time, or it might come down very stiffly, because if it is a stiff rise, then your fall will also be stiff. If you look at this particular candle, we are in a weekly chart. This also, after a long rally, it has it has given a lot of sell, so it's a supply zone, so therefore it has formed a good big candle. And then we know what has happened. If you look at this particular candle, Nifty tried to consolidate, but then it failed, and then it has given a very sharp rally. So now let's see in the daily chart. Now if you look at the daily chart, Nifty has given a small small rally. So this slowly Nifty was step by step going up. Now what has happened now? This is the first time, if you look at, after a long rally, Nifty has given a correction, right? So then after giving a correction, you are seeing a very small candle is going up. So therefore basically, although these are all gap up, you look at this, these are all gap ups. So after multiple gap up, it actually created lot of island gaps. And now these gaps, there are lot of things in the gap theory. I am not getting into this. These are all called runaway gaps. So after leaving these gaps, Nifty has suddenly given a very big candle last week, and then again it is trying to fight and hold position. And if you look at this particular line, it is facing a strong resistance which is not able to cross. So therefore, if Nifty goes down, it will goes down like this sharp sharp downfall. Okay, so it might go down very sharply, or if it crosses, then it can go down very fast. But as I can see here, Nifty is on a bull trap. So therefore we have to be very cautious. It is always better not to trade in index right at this moment. This is the view of the Nifty. So last 15 days, next week is very critical, and that there are a lot of astro dates that are coming up. and this is an anniversary month of Nifty, so all big in the history, all big crashes happened. And when you know that this is the history, you should be very very cautious. Even if you are very very defensive on in the last 2 weeks of October, that's fine, because you will be able to protect your capital, and you have to be you're trading very very cautiously. So let's move on to what we did on Friday. So we will move to our setup. So this is our setup. We have moved on. Now I'm switching off the setup, and if you look at this particular setup, it was in a naked eye, it was very very difficult to really catch this trend. So when we started using our setup, it has actually mind boggling, and it will change your views, the way you look at the chart. Let's switch on the chart, and along with this particular setup, our Stockster setup is this you will get along with that, you will get a golden road. And I will also show you another setup, which is basically an additional indicator, which is very very useful, and you yourself will experience this. Let's switch on this Stockster setup and see, suddenly your views have changed. There are a lot of lines, so our students know what is the significance of these lines. So you are on 16th. I will explain only one, but I have taken 2-3 trades, but I will explain you the methodology of one trade, because people are very comfortable with buying. And we have also taken short position in IGL, where we also book profit. I will show you how it was done. So in this particular setup, if you see, let's increase the size, and then now let's see how it is to be read on 16th. Yeah, I am explaining only one trade with our setup. So on 16th, what has happened? On 16th, uh, you have we have our on 16th Nifty sorry, this is Tata Steel. So Tata Steel actually gapped up, and we have a green dot here, so we did nothing. So we allowed, why we did nothing, because it has a previous history of downfall, and then we allowed, once we have seen that it has gapped up, that means in a bottom, it was bottomed out, and it was it was giving an indication that I am ready to go up. But what is the point of entry? I will show you. What we have done is, with the great Nikala rule, we follow this Nikala rule: Nil, blue, black and red. Nil, Kala, Lal. Nil, Kala, Lal. So we actually use Nikala rule, and to enter, and we also look for X candle and diamond candle. So how did we trade? Okay, so after this gap up, see, you are seeing from here to here there is a gap up, right? So therefore we have not done anything. Last day Nifty closed here, and then suddenly it gapped up, so we did nothing. Nifty came back because it was not satisfying our setup. We have entered, and our, if you even if it was in green zone, since it was flat, we did nothing. So when we started reacting, we have entered our trade at this level, at about 380 level. Why? Because we have a Nikala satisfied here. We have a Nikala satisfied here at this level. Let me mark it properly. Yeah, at 380 level we have actually, this is we have entered around 380 level. Yeah, this is this is the particular candle where we entered. Why? Nikala is satisfied, नील ऊपर में, काला नीचे, उसके बाद लाल. So Nikala satisfied, and then, although we actually, the ideal entry was to be on the green candle, but diamond candle. Since it was rising, we have taken, because this line was rising, we have entered into a green zone, and we have back to back lot of a lot of green candles. So we entered this, but as a student I would advise that they should enter here after this after the green candle. Let it come down, and then probably at a student level, once you have once you have got X candle, you should wait, and then you can also enter at 381. This is, but I have entered at about 380. Okay, but you should not break the process. So then here at this level also Nikala satisfied, rising, Nil, Kala and Lal is up, single line. You have an X candle, diamond candle. This was actually the ideal place to enter. So once, see, if I switch off our setup, you will not understand anything. So once this is done, we waited and we have enjoyed the ride. After that, back to back, we have got this particular diamond once again. And if you look at this, at this level, it is rising, the black line is rising, and then green is also above this center line. So we have no reason to worry, and we actually started the ride. And then when we exited, since we do lot of intraday trading, we exited entire stock. You could have taken two lots, but I have taken one lot, and then one lot you could have released here. Why it is released here? Because this was the previous day high line. Okay, and we had a red candle, although we have a big candle, so you could have booked a little bit of profit. So why we have actually when was about to close, we were approaching, we released at about this particular level. Once we got candle, and then once we got a red candle, although it is a diamond candle, and although it is going up, we were not supposed to go out, but since it was intraday, we actually around 390 we released. So it is 390.65, 680, but we released our money at 390. We entered about 380 and released about 390. So basically it's a 10 rupees 10 rupees gain. So we left, we were not greedy. So therefore 390 minus 380 is 10 rupees into 1700 lot. We have got 17,000 from one trade. But as per our setup, we could have carried out, but since we have Friday and Saturday, so we did not want to unnecessarily keep our money and headache. We wanted to enjoy the weekend. So 17,000 is very easy for us to earn. Now if you look at, I will show you one more thing here at this with this particular setup. How if you are combining this ohm, and then you can trade very peacefully. So let's go to ohm. Now this is Tata Steel. So in Tata Steel, I would like to see how the metal index is behaving. So what we do is, we will simply change it to say next metal. Okay, yeah, just a minute. So since it is not relevant, Bank Nifty is not relevant for Tata Steel, so we will also see, I will just simply change it to metal index, CNXM, and then we get a metal. So therefore we would like to see at the when I am taking the individual trade on individual stock, how my sector is behaving. Okay, so if you look at this particular setup, how ohm is helpful. I am into the green zone already, no problem. Now if you look at the black line, I will show you once more. Here the sector belongs to which stock in green time frame, that is your this will actually give you the black line, will be giving you the value and the trend of the sector, and while the red, green and purple would give you the 5 minute, how much how Tata Steel is behaving in 5 minutes. Then green, even if I am looking at 5-minute chart, that's my current candle, but I can also get information that the same stock, how it is behaving in 1 hour candle and 1 hour and 15 minutes. So how in my background, how the stock is changing. See, it's very simple to interpret. I am seeing visually. Look at this. I will double click it here. I am seeing at this particular level, all this is the level, right? So all the stocks are rising. If you are rising, that means the stock has a big momentum, and these green dots are actually the dots where it's a basically rubber band type. So rubber band is squeezing, so it is ready for a big up move. So everything, if you see, all are rising in tandem, and it crossed about this dotted line. This dotted line is actually 60 line. So once this has gone up, the nobody could stop Tata Steel. So at this particular level, when we were entering, it was rising, it was going above outside the band, and then it actually gone up with a big sprint. So therefore this is a very supplementary important indicator, which itself will give you, even if you are looking at 5-minute chart, if you change it to 15-minute chart, automatically it will be changing its values, and you can see how it is in a 15-minute chart, how it is behaving. So therefore this in the red line is the current speed and momentum. So red line has gone above 60, and it is along with that entire sector is moving up, and this particular background, if you look at this particular background, it has become green. So once it has become green, this is green, I have, what is the doubt? So this is going to be a bingo trade, and therefore after this entry, if you look at this, how it is behaving, although it has little bit gone down in the current scenario, that is 5 minutes, we were not so scared. In fact, I have actually exited based on this whenever it was dropping, and although it is, these twos are green, and then I wanted to book profit because we are very close to the day end. This is a trade which I could have carried, but I did not want to take the risk. This is how you should do. Okay, so these are so powerful setup that even without this setup you will not be able to do anything. Like if I switch off this entire stock so setup, but it is very difficult. It's a naked chart. How do I know that how the stock would be behaving? So this is one part of it, and the second part of it is our screener. So this particular screener, if you look, if you can always choose how, at what time frame, even in intraday, even if you for a long term trade, how it is behaving. See, for example, in the intraday, we have chosen 5 minutes, so you got Canara Bank. Let us see how it is going on weekly. Let us see, first time, let us see how do I choose a stock on long term basis on weekly, and let us see, let the screener do it, and let me in the meantime, let me switch on our setup. So let's reduce the size a bit. Okay, so let's see how what it has given. So it is actually scanning on weekly basis. Yeah, so we got diamond scanner at IGL at weekly level. If you see, it is weak. So later, if the stock, now if you get a diamond at weekly level, that's a bingo trade. That is a trade you can do for 7-8 days. So let's see how let us move to IGL first. Change this stock to IGL, and once we have changed this stock to IGL, and then we'll let us see whether it has actually given me a diamond in the weekly basis. You see, and a weekly diamond, which is a black diamond. So therefore, first confirmation, I am ready to go down further, right? This, in fact, IGL we have been trading for quite some time, and it was a short trade. See, we caught this IGL at this level when it was about 400, 490, 500, and now it is 376, and this is what we are already, we were shorting based on our scanner. So this scanner is has actually given you a short now at black diamond level, at black diamond at weekly level. See, let us see how it is behaving in daily. If a weekly is weekly is negative, obviously daily would be negative. So daily it has come down. You got lot of black diamonds here, so you have not lost the opportunity of these black diamonds. Now let us go to the go to 5-minute chart of or let's say 15-minute chart of this thing of IGL. Now at 15 minutes level on 16th, we actually did not have much trade. So we have basically, at when you are looking at intraday, you have to behave like intraday, but I will not buy this stock. I will only be on the selling side. So once we get a next candle here, I should short. Okay, so therefore because when you know that at higher time frame it is low, it is coming down, I will rise, I will sell it on rise, and not I will not buy, because my grandfather is weak. So therefore grandfather father is weak, weekly sell, the daily sale. So therefore weekly daily, and then therefore in the intraday it has to be a sell candidate. So therefore whenever it will go up, try to go up, this is a best shorting opportunity. See, you have to understand the concept, and then whenever you go at top and then you get a reversal candle, you have to short. Okay, so if I switch it to 5 minutes chart, your entry will be this. On 16th, you have a big candle, this is the false candle, and therefore immediately you get a back to back black candle. So therefore you could have shorted here. You got one opportunity. I will always sell on rise, you got an opportunity here. Then you got here again Nikala is satisfied. Here it is, yeah. So here at a Nikala black diamond, you get small short trade here. I will always go and sell in this particular in this particular stock. I will never buy. So if you do not know the concept, or if you do not know how to trade with our setup, without our setup, then you will not be able to trade, because this is how we actually take a view, and the signals are perfect signals. So therefore whenever let it rise, even if these are black diamond, I will not buy, let it rise. And therefore see, even if you use our setup, you see the signals are generated perfect. So therefore from here at 373 and 373 to 378, you can always earn 3 to 5 rupees. But I will not take a risk on a stock which is actually weak in long term. So I will always avoid this uptrend and I will sell it. Okay, so this is how the trading has to be done, and our students are really enjoying this setup, and we are developing this setup every day. So new things would come up. Now I will tell you how we do it. We have a basic course. This is basic course, but it is very advanced, and you do not need to know anything. We teach you candlesticks pattern in depth, and only 8 to 10 candlestick pattern, and out of that, even if you understand 4 candle, rest is easy. So therefore this is the out of 256 candlesticks pattern, we teach only 8 to 10 patterns which are very important. And then you get our setup, and this setup does everything for you. If you are disciplined, you will not lose. Very losing trades are, of course, chances are less if you are disciplined. But market, we do not dictate the market dictates us. So therefore we have to follow the market. So we have another, this course has gone up, so every course fees has gone up. Now it is 30,000, the basic course, and along with that you have to take a scanner. Scanner would I will come to this. We have option mastery, which basically with a very small capital you can do trading. And we do not teach alpha, delta, gamma, theta. We only give you very simple setup that makes money, because you do not give examination to anybody. You are here to make money. So therefore we only understand money, nothing else. So this is what in the expiry special, expiry special, this is a very good program. And this cost has now gone up from 50 to 50,000, 55,000. So basic course has gone up to 30,000, and then along with that you have to take this diamond indicator, which will cost you 10,000. It's at 50% discounted, and normally, and for our students who are the guys who are not our students, they can also buy, but for them the cost is 20,000. So we have various types of scanner. Diamond scanner is 20,000. Okay, but this we have a special scanner. Now we are selling at a non-discounted price of 20,000. That is a very explosive scanner, and this explosive scanner will actually make you explosive money. And this the basic scanner, which is diamond, which is also equally powerful, and that you get at a discounted price at 10,000. So our basic course have gone up to 30,000 plus 10,000 is 40,000 rupees. And then you have multiple ohm scanner, you are getting at 10,000 rupees additional. This will not come with the package. Okay, now we have a Fibonacci master course price action, where we will also teach you price, volume, and this is a 1 month duration course, and with Bollinger volatility, where how you can make money. This is a 1,50,000 course, and along with that we have a separate price action course where we actually teach you gap trading, Bollinger Band, candlesticks pattern. This has also gone up 30,000, but with the this particular SS4 course you need to have certain basic concepts, otherwise you will not be able to handle this. Okay, so for yeah, but if you have taken our basic course, then it would be easy, for you to take it. And this price course, this is the actually, bull trap, bear trap. These bull traps and bear traps, they are everywhere in this scenario. How how will you know at this particular level? If you look at look at this now, how will you know at this particular level? Let me delete all lines. Yeah, so how will you know at this particular level stock will reverse? At this particular level stock will reverse. How will you know at this particular level stock will reverse? Or how will you know that this is where stock will take a halt, and then it will go up? So to for catching these things, I have a bull trap, bear trap videos, in the beginning, maybe beginning one, second, third video or fourth video, where I explain in detail how you are going to catch bull trap and bear trap. How actually we knew that at this particular level, um, at this particular level, mm, that a market is going to crash. So these levels are predictable in advance. So when you are at this level, at this particular level, you can predict that stock will go up to this level, because stock will go up to this level. So this is where, once we know that from this area it will go, it will reverse. So you have predicted this particular area when, on 18th of May, and then on 18th of May, you do not know the date that 8 June it will go, but you know the price, that at this level, when the price was 8830, you knew that market will go up to 10,260. Now, so if you know this, you will be only on buying spree. You will not go for selling options. Okay, so this is the power of bull trap and bear trap. These are all predictable. Like, how will I know that market I first of all know that this at this particular level stock would behave, react. So once we get a at this this area, this is the area is a bull trap zone, a bear trap zone. So people thought it will go down, but at this level it was a bear trap zone. And once you knew, and on the bear trap zone, if you get a gap up candle, this particular candle closed at 10,805, and next day it opened at 10,009 trend gap up opening. And after this, and after this slide, you get a gap up opening, and then thereafter the Nifty has gone. So how much it can go, it can also be measured, from looking at mathematically, that we have a mathematical calculation, so I am not going to explain that. So but you can always predict that market will react here. Why is it that at this particular level market is not able to go up? I am not saying it will not go up. What I will do is I will book my profit here and wait. So if market tomorrow goes above this, I will take a bullish side, and I know that it will be reacting. So at this particular zone, I will not do any trading. If the market comes down here, I will do a trading. So therefore, this bull trap, bear trap is a very price thing, and this will cost you 50,000 rupees, and it will be explained in 15 minutes. And then by looking at the chart, even at intraday level, you can predict that how much we can go. So therefore, the money making would be very, very easy. Okay friends, so that's it from my side. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. And then if you are interested in taking our setup, you can contact me in the below number and email. So this is CA Sarup Ghosh signing off. Bye bye, take care.